Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm taking you guys with me to my job. I work as a creative director at exotic cars dealership, and to be honest, every day is different. So let's see what today is gonna look like. Let's go. We gotta take this 4S to service to swap it with the Bentley that I need to shoot. Gonna shoot this bad boy. Alright, so now it's time to shoot inventory photos for this Bentley Continental GT. So I usually start with a few photos outdoors, and then I'm taking the car inside the studio to do a full shoot. So let's go. Now that I shot photos, I'm gonna do a 360 video, which I can't show you because I'm using this phone to film this. I'm about to use this phone to film this, but that's how it usually goes. Inventory photos outside, 360 video, and then full shoot inside in the studio. Studio time, but as you can see, GT3 RS is in the way, so we gotta move that for the Bentley. Before I shoot studio photos for the Bentley, I just wanted to show you guys, look how cool this looks. Both GT3 RSs next to each other. They're both WISHLIST pack. The difference is that this one has painted hood versus this one has exposed carbon fiber hood, but they're both, look, super cool. Alright, next swap, R8 with the Corvette. That's a rare sighting. Alright, my next model for the day is Z06. and I'm not gonna show the process because same thing, you know, set up the lights, do all the shots, and then go edit. So yeah, this is the car number 2 for the day. All right, and now it's time to shoot some content with this beauty, GT3 RS, and we have only 1 hour to make this happen, so it has to be quick. And I don't know, a little bit stressed, but we'll see what we can come up with. It looks so good. Then we have this flipped over old trailer. We have the beach and GT3 RS. I'm actually just driving it around for our videographer to shoot some shots. Look at these views. Oh, California. Just trying to rush through it. Have videographer out there. Me trying to shoot some photos. Ocean, GT3 RS of course, making it work. We just came back sweaty. it was a lot, but came back to this beauty. Check this out. Sheesh. Another GT3 RS, the latest version though. This thing is insane. Can't stop looking at it. This thing is so sick. Look at the swing. And now we have 3. Actually, we do have 4. Just one is at service. Looks sick. And we are done for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this was somewhat entertaining. This was a busy day for me, and I'm glad it's Friday and I can relax.